Hi, my name is Sallieann Harrison and this is a short workshop on felted wool applique onto a cotton background. In the workshop we're going to work on this little soldier guy. As you can see, he's fused down to a background and then stitched using a sewing machine blanket stitch. I don't like using Viseo. I tend to use a cotton stabiliser. So this is a cotton stabiliser called Shape Flex by Perle, and you just iron it onto the reverse. You could decide if you wanted to layer them up as you go, so sew the trousers on, then sew the boots on, then sew the jacket on piece by piece, or you can fuse them completely as I've done and then just go around the individual pieces using whatever colour you want to.